Hey guys, it's me again. In my last video you saw this spinner beat the Galaxy, and today I told you yesterday, that I'm doing a video today against the orange against the white. Short of fishman. This is the white. The white has lost against the others. I'm not sure if it can beat this orange spin. We wait until you see, and make sure big thumbs like or on the thumbs button. Wow, I meant make sure to subscribe and notifications. I said reset. Sometimes when I say something, I reset, so I don't say it properly. That's what I said. So make sure to subscribe. So let's get into the video. Tell me down below, who do you think is going to win? The orange or the white? Tell me down below. And who do you think is the winner? Yeah, Lucas Ferrari yesterday, I made a video yesterday and he liked it. And guys, the orange one. Next video will be this spinner against the grey. Make sure to watch it tomorrow. Let's get neck to neck. It's nearly done. This is I do fidget spinners videos, and I do like leagues. So League 1 was Galaxy Fish Spinner was first place. The black spinner was second. The grey was third. And the white was fourth, and the orange was fifth. And now in that league, it's going to be, I think, I can't have the black because I changed it out in this one, so it's going to be different. You get the blacks out. And yeah. So it'll be orange Galaxy, orange spinner first in the second league, and then Galaxy second in the second league, then grey, then one. And I hope you like that video. Make sure to subscribe and notifications. I need some more subscribers. I hope we can get 50,000 likes today, if I can get them. Well, peace, Sniggle.